The Center for IT in Building Science was set up in the year 2000 with the objective of carrying out research in the area of high-performance buildings. The idea is to develop and apply IT tools into designing high-performance buildings and operating them optimally. Our current focus is on demand-side management, which includes building energy efficiency and demand response. Our vision for the future is to develop and promote human-centric buildings, powered by artificial intelligence and concepts of sustainability.
My research is on providing personalized comfort to everyone, especially in office spaces, to achieve energy savings and demand responsiveness while keeping everybody comfortable as per their individual requirements.
I am working on the Cool Roof project funded by Pernod Ricard India Foundation. I am looking into how cool roofs can be used for different building types and how it can help urban poor who don't have access to thermal comfort devices.
Energy systems are moving towards digitization and decarbonization because of increasing penetration of renewable energy sources, electric vehicles, and consumers. The intermittent nature of renewable energy sources has resulted in a trend where demand follows supply, moving away from the traditional model of supply following demand. The transmission grid is becoming smart, making it important for the end nodes, the homes, to become smart.
I am working on a DST-funded Indo-UK research project, RESIDE, where we are collecting data from 2,000 homes throughout the country to provide evidence-based support for updating the Residential Building Energy Code in India.
For any effective and intuitive user experience, we need to consider human psychological, social, cultural, and language perspectives. Using these principles, we are trying to build a more human-centered energy consumption feedback interfaces.
Solar photovoltaic technology is becoming cheaper, but we do not have sufficient roof space for their installation in the cities. There is an opportunity to use the building facades for installation of solar PV.
I develop sensors and monitoring systems for all the projects in the center, and my research interest is in the area of field monitoring. So one of the challenges we are working on is to develop low-cost, reliable IoT devices for energy monitoring and controls in buildings.
I did my Masters in Building Science from IIIT Hyderabad in 2010. I incubated my startup Linear Circuits in 2014 in the area of embedded systems with a focus on products for building automation, renewable energy and energy efficiency. I am applying concepts of microeconomics where the market construct energy price is used as the key operational parameter to control smart individual spaces. We have a US patent on this concept jointly with Lawrence Berkeley National Lab, LBNL. I am looking forward to bring this concept to market through incubation support that is available there in IIIT Hyderabad.
We are providing technical support to the government of Telangana in making a policy where in next 10 years, the target will be to convert 100 square kilometer of roof area into cool roofs in Hyderabad. This will be a major policy intervention for reducing the urban heat island effect in the city.
We are developing a smart home energy management system, or SHEMS, as a part of the Indo-UK project RESIDE. Along with our partner at the Oxford Brookes University, we are going to socio-technically evaluate SHEMS by deploying it in 200 homes in Hyderabad.
We are collecting energy, temperature, and humidity data along with household information, which will be approximately 3.5 billion data points. Then, I'll be applying causal analysis to understand the factors and their impact on energy use in Indian homes. This data is also helpful in creating models of typical residential archetypes. We have developed in-house low-cost sensors, a monitoring protocol, and the overall infrastructure which will facilitate capturing and analysis of this huge data set.
I am evaluating the performance of semi-transparent photovoltaic windows considering various aspects such as energy generation, visual thermal comfort, impact of heat, daylight from the windows on the artificial light and air conditioning.
I am applying deep learning technique on main energy meter data to disaggregate the energy consumption of an individual appliance. This will help user to understand appliance level energy consumption patterns. I see a lot of synergy having a startup in IIIT. We can help researchers in prototyping their designs, startups in converting their prototypes to products, and also we can facilitate the research products to market as startups. There is a fantastic ecosystem here and a symbiotic relationship. Overall, there is a complete infrastructure available to convert research into marketable products.
We offer opportunities to researchers from diverse backgrounds to work in interdisciplinary teams on projects ranging from developing design tools, IoT hardware, to developing and supporting policies.